we've got a simple corsage that we've already put together, and we're going to dress it up. You can quickly see the difference by adding in a little color, adding in a little sparkle, and taking it to that next level so that it's really going to stand out. One thing you want to remember is body flowers are created for the camera. There's going to be lots of photographs that are taken. So make sure that you're putting those accessories in the right place where they can be seen not only by the eye, but especially by the camera. One thing that we like to add in are some of those quintets provided by Fitz Design. They come in lots of different colors. I choose to use iridescent as much as possible because depending on what color you put iridescent in front of, it's going to pick up that color, so it will enhance it. What I do is I don't like to waste any of the metal. It's shiny, it's sparkly, it's sort of that shiny quarter effect. Leave it long, but you're going to quickly twist it around the end of a pen or any other paintbrush is also good to use because they're tapered. As you can see, it creates that little pigtail look. It gives you a platform for you to add the glue so that you can add those in quickly and easily just by putting your adhesive in the correct spot. I'm letting it sit for just a minute because remember with the Oasis design adhesive, you need to allow it to aerate so that it can become tacky. So I've put them on all the pieces that I intend to glue in. Then I go back to that first one, decide where I want to put it, and I'm going to slip it right in between the products to make sure it's in the most prominent place and can be seen again by the eye and the camera. So make sure when you tuck it in there, now I can see all of the shiny metal as well as the rhinestones. Another product that I like to use are the corsage pins. They come in a variety of colors. They are 2 inches long when you get the colored ones. So I clip off a little bit with a good wire cutter. Make sure that you cut that away from you so that it doesn't end up embedding itself anywhere that's going to be uncomfortable. We're going to add a little bit of glue on the tip so that we can put that extra bit of color tucked right down in around the floral product. Sometimes I will even put it in the end of the floral product, like in a rose like that. You can tuck it really anywhere that you see fit when you're going to add that into your corsage, just so it gives that little bit of color, that pearl look, and enhances the product. Another item that we like to use is the diamond wire, and I like to create loops by using the end of my scissors, hold it on one side, and I wrap it around just to give it a little turn on the end of the handle of the scissors. Then you can place a little dab of glue on each end of that wire so that it will adhere to the other products. Doesn't have to be a whole lot. Remember, if it's not setting up quickly, you've either added too much glue or you don't have enough. Bend it right in place. It adds a little bit of depth to your finished design, a little bit of color, and because of it having that diamond cut, a little bit of sparkle. I am, of course, not suggesting that we use all of these products in the same corsage. I'm simply saying that any of these accessories can be added at the last minute after you've gotten the product done and you're ready to add those in. One last tip is, because ribbon can be incredibly expensive, we use a more economical ribbon to create the base of the corsage, but we might want to add in a little bit of color with that specialty ribbon. I've twisted just a small piece, maybe 3 inches, that's cut in a pigtail fashion on each side. Again, we're going to use some of the stem off of the accessories to bind it together and create that little turn. Twist it right around. Cut off your excess so that you don't have too much of that wire in there. Add another bit of that cold glue onto the wire, and you can secure it right down in where it makes the most difference by adding color, by adding a different layer of texture, and enhancing your body flowers to coordinate with whatever might be worn. So tuck it right in around. So as you can see, lots of choices, lots of color to be added, and look how quickly it went together. Join us next time for Design Tips by FloriologyInstitute.com. Thanks so much.